It's Saturday, and we have Cars and Coffee again. It's the first one for the year 2023, so it's gonna be a lit one. But we're pulled over on the side because our homie Mike, his G went into lit mode. So we're gonna try. He's gonna try and clear the code and then restart his car, and then should be on our way. So it's in Kaneohe again, so it's the place with a nice view. So I'm excited. I love this view. I love that view. All right, guys. So I'll get back with y'all. All right, guys. So we just got here. Still trying to wait in line because I feel like a lot of people are trying to park. There's a lot of people that just came in. So on the I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's crazy. But anyways, yeah, guys. So we're here, and I'll get back with you. All right, guys. We made it. Let's go. Gee, we're gonna have to look at this later. Out here, Mr. Mike over here, vaping.
Car meets are gonna be so quiet in the future.
TEs?
They have the speaker at the bottom. The exhaust sound.
Man, Tesla gang today, yes sir. Goals. Hey, your boy Christian, man. Big Wang gang. Never get tired of these taillights. Black one over here. On the Nismos. These taillights are legendary. Any Skyline taillights, legendary. Out here, these are tough. Same, guys, same. What up, what up?
You could put in a cat design and a 3D print. Make it from all your
pretty please, though.
That's the new binds.
So we'll walk around a little bit, you know. Got the crew right here. Couldn't really park all together because it's kind of limited spaces, so. I'm sorry for the camera movement, guys, but gotta get a stabilizer soon. All the homies over here. Hyundais.
I saw a 2.5 already.
This Tesla, though. This Tesla's clean. The color. Oh shit, somebody's inside. My bad. Work. Oh, that's not working. Damn, that's clean. Cars over here. Got the whip right here. That rain looks so cool on the mountains, though. Oh yeah, we're gonna go check it out. We're probably gonna go register now and then get our raffle tickets. You think you're gonna win today? You think you'll win something?
Hell no.
Gas card? Gas card?
Gas card, right here.
All right.
I mean, this is the second time I've won 2 detailing stuff.
Oh yeah, I only won when we were here too. So I mean, we'll see. We'll see.
If one of us win, we all win, right?
That's fact. That's fact. I like that. I like that. I like that.
So if you want to get out of the rain, go and check out his store for a few minutes. Go in there and get into your detailing items. Check them out. Again, 15% off all Jackson products this weekend only at IREC.
Yeah. I'll never get old of these mountains, man. Or tired of these mountains. So beautiful. The clean culture found. Iconic. Jay Rizzy. Main culture fam right here. Christian. Hey, I like the livery. Main culture boys over here. So homie Reggie's car. Picked up a nice Mustang. Okay, Reggie. Let's see. 5.0. Clean, okay. Alright, let's see what else we got. Damn, that's Subi. Right next to it, NSX, 2 NSXs. Future in the past right here. Okay. With the scoop, that's crazy. It is nice as jeez, so clean. New NSX. This is hard. Damn. This is clean. Supras. 1, 2, 3. I don't know, man. I still like these. These are still tough. They're hard. Some other stuff right here, older stuff. Man, these are hard. They're nice. Dang. Oh, this is hard.
One of my friends.
Wide body. You know wide body? These girls go hard. These are my cities, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn. That's crazy. This Honda is wild. I don't know. This is so wild. It's pretty cool though. There's like different stuff on it. Man, this is wild, dude. I don't even know if this is like paint or not or anything, but man, this is crazy. It's like different stuff on both sides, so I'm trying to get both sides. This is crazy, dude. Man, this is wild. Supras. I gotta lie, guys. This paint is clean.
Huh?
This paint is nice. Oh, carbon. Carbon? Oh no, that's not carbon. It's clean. For all the Beamer boys. Old school Toyota right there. My man went in his car My G might rain some more, bro. Get your detail on, my G.
Get up.
It's clean, bro. It's clean, though. Evil gang. So clean. Fam, show me. That's tough. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. It's evil. It's clean. This shit is clean. The wheels. Sheesh. This color is tough. This is sick. This makes me miss my Z. And it was half black, half red. This is clean though. All the muscle cars. That sounds crazy. Corvette. Mustang. All the Miata fans. Alright guys, so this looks like a normal G, right? Not normal, but fire ass G, right? What makes it more fire? I'll show y'all. I don't know if you guys can see it. I know y'all know what that is. Got Team Elevate over here. Clean ass cars, bro.
Fuel cars that everybody likes. Prepare for fuel cars.
Dream wheels right here.
Okay, we're gonna start the giveaways at about 10:30. Again, if you're walking around taking
Elevate
pictures,
always
taking
goes hard.
videos, please tag us at Honda Motorsports Foundation, at Cars and Coffee Hawaii. We've got a website, a Facebook group.
My good friend here at Cars and Coffee. I definitely want you guys to meet Boston, and I want you to tell us what you love.
So guys, I'm Bronson. Instagram is Bronski Italy. And actually Bronski.50, yes, that's my YouTube channel. But anyways, yeah, this is my 2018 Infiniti Q50S.
It's my first time seeing this one in person, guys. Sheesh. This rad is clean. The build is just clean. Damn. On the Meisters. Sheesh. Damn. Sheesh. This is so tough, bro. It's raining, guys. It's raining and cold, bird. This is clean as fuck, though. Wow. Jeez, this bag too. Bagged? It's crazy. SMG. Shit is clean as fuck, though. Kai. That tent goes crazy. Kai. Sheesh. Damn. Fitment check. Wow. That's tough. This tent is wild though. It's crazy. Damn. This is hard. Jeez. This is clean.
The entrance?
I don't know. I think it is. I don't know. Is it? It's not, yeah? Because this one doesn't have tags yet. She put carbon on there, right?
Yeah, it's a different.
Like grill, right? Yeah. This is still clean though. Oh, brand new. These are nice as hell though.
Edition.
Dang. bus exit. This is the hardest Tesla, I think. With the Wayne. This blue is so clean. Damn, so clean. I like the color. My boy parked hella far, but I mean, sheesh, always good to see the homie. Damn. So clean. So clean, man. Literally a dream setup. Bag, Workmeisters, side skirts. Literally the dream right now for mine. Damn. Alright guys, so we just left Cars and Coffee. Damn, get that view though. Oh, shit. But yeah, we just left Cars and Coffee. We're gonna meet up for a little bit at the NEX. And then yeah, so it should be another cruise, but I think we're gonna just head to the meet real quick and then yeah, we'll go from there. I'll catch up with y'all. View never gets old, man. Look at that, so beautiful. Clouds on the mountains. That's crazy. Lucky you live in Hawaii, man. It's so crazy. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. So nice, man.
Moments later.
Alright guys, we made it over here. Wiping down the cars because there's all dirt. But yeah, made it here. It's hot now. It was super cool and rainy and all that. Now it's hot. The sun is beaming, but oh yeah. But we here. Just finished wiping down the car. There was like a lot of mud from the rain and stuff. So yeah, man, we chilling. Casual Lambos driving by. Alright guys, just made it to the meet. Yeah. Jeez, there's hella cars up there. Full team elevate over here. Alright, look at this girl, she took the GTR today. Wow. Wow. Dang, that's tough. Yeah, bro. Ooh. Okay.
You guys are twinning today.
Dang.
No, we're twins for today.
Jeez. Not one, but two bag Subies.
Oh,
What's What's up? What's up?
You guys finished and what's the 16 because we got in there.
Damn, hella cars, right? And then, bam, McLaren, dog. Yo, so what? Mazda against the McLaren or what?
Fuck. Sure. Race for pink.
Jeez, this is clean, bro. I have not seen one in person, bro. I have not seen one in person. This is crazy. Bro. This is so sick. Jeez, McLaren, guys.
Oh, yeah.
And is this a GT3 RS? Damn. All my Hot Wheels are coming out in real life right now. Shit. Sheesh. R8. That wrap, though. That's clean. Sheesh. I seen a lot of his vids on IG. He fast. That's crazy. Sheesh.
About HP.
Dang, that's tough. What up? What up, G? It's been a while. What up?
Let's go, baby.
So what's up? What's up? Damn, no bumper gang. Oh, you good, you good. Check out this Lambo though. Sheesh, bro. Sounds beautiful. Revving over there, man. Get us in trouble. Sheesh. This is wild, bro. Wild. Man, they going ham over there. It's crazy. This is beautiful. It's the man Eric. Man, it's so clean, bro. Wide body with the words. This is so clean. It's crazy. That's so sick.
I've never seen sunlight yet.
Not one, but two. This one got a fatty tire. The Ferrari chilling right there. Jeez.
What's up, brother? Long time no see. Any funny guy? Easy. Oh, this is Marshall.
Oh, brother Lance. What's up, my dog? Oh my god, bro. Shit. Oh my goodness. SMG. Okay, bro. Oh, everybody's coming now. I know.
definitely not. That's one of the Mustangs that's been out of control.
This one? Bro, I need to hear it, bro. I need to hear it.